Hello everyone, today we are going to make Cherry Rhubarb Crunch. So let's get started. What you're going to need is 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 cup all-purpose flour, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You're going to want to combine that now, mix it all up. Get it all incorporated. And to that we're going to add 1/2 stick of cold butter cubed. Don't put it all in once, just spread it around so it's not one big clump. That 1 stick of butter equals 1/2 cup. Okay, now we're going to blend it, cut it into the oatmeal mixture. You also can use 2 knives to cut through. Okay, I think we're there. You want a crumbly mixture. Now put that aside and get your 13 by 9 inch baking dish. You're going to want to spray your dish. Now take 2 cups of the crumbs and pat them into the bottom of the pan. Press it down so it's nice and firm. Okay. Now we're going to put that aside and cut up the rhubarb. Okay, you're going to need 4 cups of diced rhubarb. Now these have been washed and trimmed. So now we're going to start cutting into cubes. If they're thin pieces, you can just go down and cut like slices like these. Okay, if you get a thicker piece, what you'll need to do is cut it in half and then make dices. Okay, I'm going to cut up the last piece. We won't need all this rhubarb. Okay, that's 4 cups there. Now we're going to set that aside here, and then We're going to spread the rhubarb over top of the crumb mixture. Okay, just spread it out. Now, set that aside. And in a saucepan, we're going to add the 1 cup of sugar. And the 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And stir in your 1 cup of water. Make sure that's all blended together. It has to be cold water, because if you pour hot water in, it's going to lump up. Let me get a whisk. Okay, whisk that. Make sure everything is blended together. Now we're going to put it on the stove and let it thicken. Okay, you want to stir it till it thickens and is clear. While you're waiting for it to thicken, you can turn your oven, preheat it to 350. So it'll be ready for you. Okay, it's ready. It's cleared up and it's thickened. Now you can turn your heat off and add 1 teaspoon of almond extract. And your cherry pie filling. You want to get every little bit of that slurry out. Okay. Now mix that up. And when it's combined, we'll add it over top of the rhubarb. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, I'm just going to spread it over the rhubarb. Get it all out. Now, just spread it around. Okay, it looks pretty good. Okay, now you're going to want to add the crumb topping. You're supposed to add half a cup of chopped walnuts, but someone's allergic to them, so I'm not going to put them on. But you can. Just cover your cherries with the topping. Okay. And you're going to want to bake this at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes until the topping is slightly browned. So see you in 45. Okay, it's been 40 minutes and it's nice and bubbly and golden brown on top. So it's ready. So I'm just going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then I'll cut into it. That looks good. I'm going to top it off with some vanilla ice cream. This Cherry Rhubarb Crunch really looks good. So let's give it a taste. Usually you mix strawberries with the rhubarb, but this recipe called for cherries, so we're going to give it a try. Really, really good. Cherry with rhubarb. Delicious. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you get a chance, hit the like button and leave a comment on the video, what you thought about it. And I will see you the next time. Bye.